What does XD mean? XD is an emoticon that is used to express laughter or amusement. It is typically used in online and text-based communication. The emoticon consists of the letters X and D, which are used to represent the eyes and mouth of a laughing face. The X represents the eyes that are squinted shut from laughing, and the D represents the wide open mouth. XD is a common emoticon that is used by people of all ages, but it is especially popular among teenagers and young adults. It is often used in informal communication, such as text messages, instant messages, and social media posts. Here are some examples of how XD is used. Asterisk, that video was so funny. XD asterisk, I can't believe you did that. XD asterisk, I'm so tired, but I can't stop laughing at this meme. XD is a versatile emoticon that can be used to express different levels of laughter, from a light chuckle to a full-on belly laugh. It can also be used to express ironic laughter or to show that you are laughing at yourself. Case study, XD meaning in Roblox. XD in Roblox has the same meaning as it does in other online and text-based communication. It is an emoticon that is used to express laughter or amusement. XD is a popular emoticon in Roblox because it is a quick and easy way to show that you are laughing at something. It can be used in a variety of situations, such as when someone says something funny, when something funny happens in a game, or when you are just having a good time with your friends. Here are some examples of how XD is used in Roblox. Asterisk, XD, I just fell into a pit. Asterisk, that guy's outfit is so ridiculous. XD asterisk, XD, I can't believe we won that game. XD is a harmless emoticon that is used to express positive emotions. It is a great way to show your friends that you are enjoying yourself and that you are having fun.